We want to sketch a graph of this function that's 1/3 sine of the quantity x minus pi halves. So we'll go ahead and make ourselves an axis here. And I'm looking to see the period, and the period is 2 pi. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. The fourth one's going to be 2 pi. I'm going to do another set. There's 4 pi. Half of that's pi. Half of that's pi over 2, doing one of them in the negative direction, negative 2 pi period that way. All right, amplitude is 1/3. So if this is 1 and this is -1, I need to divide that in thirds so that I can put that on there. So we're going to be oscillating close to the axis here. Now the other thing that we have going on is a phase shift. And so if we took stuff in the parentheses, set it equal to 0, and solved it for x, we would have pi halves. This means that everything is shifted to the right by pi halves. All right, I'm going to be ready to figure this out then. It was a sine graph. I am going to figure out where the points would be without the phase shift and put x's there, and then I'm going to shift all the points. So sine of 0 is 0, so I would start right here. In the next fourth, I would go to the max, then cross, then the min, which these are 1/3, cross, max, cross, min, cross, and back the other direction, filling in the rest of these would look like that. Now I'm going to apply the phase shift to all of these points, so everything needs to be moved to the right by pi halves, and that's just one tick mark. So this x is going to slide here to the right, this one's going to slide to the right, each point is going to slide to the right, one tick mark. And once we've got all the points shifted horizontally, let's go ahead and continue to do that. This one will come over here, this one's over here, this one's here, this one is there. Now I can join those up, and there is my graph of 1/3 sine quantity x minus pi halves. So let's go ahead and get this graphed. Now you can decide. I think this time I'll do it using the second tool just to be a little different here. So we've got an intercept point right here at pi halves, and we have a maximum at pi, and that maximum is as high as 1/3. So let's go ahead and go to our graph, and we are going to choose this second tool, doing an intercept and a maximum. The intercept was at pi halves, so I'm going to put that on there. And then we had our maximum at pi. So I'm going to come over here at pi, I'm going to go up 1/3 of the way, and I'm going to click it. We'll go ahead and put the period in here as well, which is 2 pi, and then we're ready to submit it.